church in Kolomia, Ukraine. Market design. Dito kami ngayon sa, sa church. Dinala ako sa church. Super parang historical church to sa Ukraine, Kolomia. There's Mariana. Is it Catholic? Catholic?
Mm-hmm.
So
It's by hand. Can you imagine? It's artist
yes,
painted.
paintings. Wow. Super ganda. Church is historical. Next no, kanina sa papunta kami dito eh. Ukraine is the very historical. Tapos sa taas meron pang paintings. Wow.
They painted almost 3 years. They built it
3?
because it's by an artist, Italian.
Oh,
He painted.
wow.
By
So
hand.
3 years daw to ginawa eh. Good din.
And this our defenders. Together.
Ito yung mga sundalo. Wow, namatay para sa Ukraine.
He's one of the
may
famous Nigoyan, Sergei. He was 21 years old and he died for.
So young. And there's some older person too. Ito yung young people. Ito yung mga namatay para sa Ukraine.